Someone has to say it. Say what? The dreaded line? What do you mean? We. Oh, sorry. Now time to deal with these folks. There we go. Why are you here? I don't know what the little can is, so I have to host. Well, can you at least recover ice cube? Sure. Get off me. Ouch. Oh, wait. Did I just land that? Hold up. Let me do it again. Gosh darn it, not again. Well, someone has to say it. Say what? The dreaded line. Oh yeah, it's time for the elimination. Curse you. I hate you. What did you just say? Nothing. Thank you. Y'all guys are now spread it out like, I don't freaking know. Let's just get this over with. And if you win, you get a little cup, you get a little cakey. Short beam is the foot. Hold on. Okay, you know what? Sorry guys, my cats were acting up. Anyways, the first one safe is short beam with 0 votes. Basketball is next safe with 0 votes as well. Now it's only up to anchor and soccer ball. The one is anchor is the last one safe with 1 vote, while soccer ball is eliminated with 2 votes. Well, good luck, sis. Good luck, bro. Why are you saying good luck to me? I'm literally... Okay, bye. Wait, no. Wait, no, I didn't get a chance. There it goes. I didn't even need that box anyways. Oh my god, I took my medicine. What do you mean medicine? Oh yeah, let's get this little freak out of here. Alright, the next challenge, y'all guys know Tornado Story? The other show that takes place in this thingy? Yeah. Well, just go in that house, okay? Alright. Yes. Good one. Nice slide, too. Wait, why can I not move? Ouch. The electricity even real cute. Oh my god, yes. Time to get those wind up. Does anyone else have paranoia to what he was referencing? No, I don't think so. I see where you're going with this. You may see. And it just started raining. 3 hours later. I see where he was going with this. Warning. Tornado warning is issued for this county. Hide immediately. What? No, I'm still gonna game. Did y'all just hear that? Oh, I see where he was going with this. Do you guys hear that weird wind noise outside? Yeah. What the freak? Oh man, power's off. No, crap. I don't stay in here. Anybody hear that? No. Okay, it's gone. Wait, what? No. What is happening now? Congratulations if you survived. The only ones that survived was basketball and ball. Meanwhile, anchor, table, ice cube, and crate is all up for elimination. Wait, but why this though? Because I forgot to announce earlier that we are beginning to merge with the final 6. Are you crazy? No. Yeah, he is crazy. Charge! No. No. What the freak just happened? Hey, you don't belong here. Get out! Well, that was lame. Viewers. Isn't it like my turn since I was in the beginning? No, because I'm the host. Too bad, too sad. I own you. Anyways, just vote one out of these 4 characters. Yeah. With the merge, we're doing vote to save now. So the one with the least votes will be eliminated now. Hey, you spoiled or so. You need to delete FFMP 13 right now. Shut up. I don't care. And plus, I'm the creator of you, so you can't just ask me to delete videos like that. Wait, what the freak? Go get him, boys. So these were the guys who died today. Yeah, so sad to see them die. They better have good luck next episode, because we're not helping them. True. That's just true. To be continued on Fight for Melon Playground.